Now, there's plenty of practice for those first 3 pages. With activity 1 is the same as in the book. I'm very sorry about that. They never give you any warning, do they? You can work your way through some of these, but please wait until we do the next part, which is the work that I'll set you to do during the exam week, and over the Easter holidays also. So I'm going to upload quite a few videos next week. Great reading activity here, interesting listening activity, and please, over the Easter holidays, do these: the grammar test, the vocabulary test, and the challenge, okay? Because that's a really good way of just keeping up with your English. I know we've got a big speaking focus at the moment, but when you've finished that, and it's not going to be very long now, then of course we've got the rest of the week. You don't have a second lesson in class that week because we need the rooms, or if you've got a Friday class, because we've moved some people around and you can't come back. Anyway, so for the rest of March, go through that, and please go through the self-test parts. Right, we're getting back to this one with the answers to our not to our questions. I'm sorry, the answers to exercise 3, and hopefully you can listen and check it also. Okay, I'm gonna whiz through those answers now. Okay, and here we go. So we've got G, I, A, D, and it says read the text again, complete it with A to J, and you're thinking, well, what's happened to the rest of them? Where have they all gone? Oh, they're down here, aren't they? Okay. I know, you can see it on your book. I'm just saying on the screen, yeah? Because I'm scrolling down, I haven't done a double page. 6 was J, 7 was H, 8, just to prove that I have done it, was F. See, there it is. 9 was B, and by process of elimination, 10 was E. Listen to it again now, because then it will make more sense to you. Okay? Look at that. What a happy person. But cold. Right. Now, we've got some more questions about this, and read the questions. Can you answer them now? If you can answer them now, I'm going to put up the questions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answers were... There's no snow or ice in Ghana, not even on the mountains. I don't know. Let's find a Ghanaian and ask. Right, okay, so those were your answers. Go back and pause it if you don't know. What was he trying to prove? Why has he got a rabbit escaping from a lion's mouth? Which one of these adjectives do you think describe him? Okay, and here are some possible answers. It's rabbit theory. A rabbit is in a cage surrounded by lions. When the cage opens, the rabbit has to sprint. He sees himself as the rabbit and the lions as the negative things he's had to deal with. He can now escape those negative things. Okay? Now, those words, fearless, you've got no fear. Spirited, you've got a good spirit. Okay? Brave, I think you probably know this one. Gutsy is very much the same, but brave and gutsy, a little bit different possibly. Gutsy means you know your fears, but you still have the guts to overcome them. Okay, have a look at some of these in a dictionary. Is he inspiring? Is he inspirational? Is what I would say. Resourceful, you have to be if there's no snow in your country. Okay, hot-headed is a negative one. Passive, I think, is would be quite negative here as well. And daring is a wonderful word there. Okay. Now, the last video for this week is going to be about relative clauses. The grammar reference is in the back of the book on page 160. Okay. This is quite complicated in some ways. I'll try to make it simple for you. Okay. That's all we're doing from the book for this week. So just a grammar video to come.